In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Microsoft Copilot in dark mode. It's a simple process, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step, making sure you understand every detail along the way. So let's get started. First, you need to navigate to the Microsoft Copilot website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the address for Microsoft Copilot or simply searching for it in your favorite search engine. Once you arrive at the Copilot homepage, take a moment to make sure you're logged in with your account. This is important to access your personalized settings. Now that you're logged in, let's move on to the customization options. Look towards the top right-hand corner of your screen and you should see your profile icons. Give that a click and a drop-down menu should appear. This menu is your gateway to various settings options, including the ability to tweak how your Copilot experience looks and feels. From the drop-down menu, locate and select the option labeled Theme. This is where you can make changes to the visual aspects of your interface. Clicking on Theme will bring up a few additional options that you can choose from. Next, you will see the option labeled Night within the theme settings. Selecting Night will switch your interface to dark mode, providing a sleek and eye-friendly look, especially useful in low-light environments. It's as simple as that. You'll notice the transformation immediately, with darker backgrounds and softer lighting, which can help reduce eye strain during prolonged use. For those who spend a lot of time using Microsoft Copilot, this dark mode setting can be a game changer in terms of comfort and aesthetics. It also helps conserve battery life on devices with OLED screens. If at any point you want to revert back to the default light mode, you can follow these same steps and select the light theme instead. By following these straightforward steps, you'll be well on your way to enjoying a more personalized and comfortable experience with Microsoft Copilot. Remember, themes are all about personal preference, so feel free to experiment with different looks until you find the one that suits you best. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope this tutorial was helpful and informative. As always, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials like this one. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below, and I'll be sure to address them. Until next time, enjoy your new dark mode on Microsoft Copilot,